The NRC, or the Norwegian Refugee Council, is an independent humanitarian organization that works to respond to the needs of those forced to flee, usually conflict and persecution. And over time, we help them rebuild their future in a new way. We do it in 35 countries. And then, of course, the big response right now and the big focus is on Ukraine. A number of years ago, we decided to build a team inside of NRC that sort of broke the tradition of we need something, let's go out and tender for it, let's go out and buy it. But we believe that there were problems that we need to solve that the private sector and the tech companies that build the private sector don't usually do this. And so we built what we call a D team, a developer team. We based it in Berlin, although now it's expanding. The way we see it gives us a lot of flexibility and freedom, gives us granularity of control. So without the open source community, we would be missing the freedom and the ability to meet our needs from our perspective and devise solutions that are true to how we work and how we think and how we prioritize needs. Another great potential for the open source approach is that we can not just replicate this, but open it up for others. But often they're very resource constrained. And so they would never have a development team in-house. They would never have the ability to even buy proprietary software at scale. So how about NRC develop solutions that then can be opened up to the international humanitarian community? The work that we do is really about people. Let's not forget that. We work with displaced populations, with refugees, people on the move, people trying to find for them and their kids a better life, a better future. And very often these people will end up in our communities. I think it starts there for us as individuals to have that open eye in our communities. I think that's where it starts. Then, of course, if you want to help organizations like NRC, please do it. We always can do with more funding, with more partnerships, with more brainpower. But I think we all have a role to play in our communities, and that's where I would start. That openness to those who are different, to those who don't speak our language, to those who went through incredible journeys that we can't even imagine to get to where they are. And they are strangers, they don't know anybody. So a warm smile, offering help to somebody who is in need, even answering somebody's question who doesn't speak your language in your community. I think that those are important things that we shouldn't forget.